Check out our coolest dispenser system yet. This dual dispense AutoFill pitcher is engineered to automatically refill whenever it's placed in the dock. That means chilled filtered water is always ready to enjoy. The innovative pitcher holds 60 ounces, the largest capacity in the industry, and offers 2 convenient ways to pour. Leave the pitcher in the dock and press the spout for quick, easy access, or remove the pitcher to pour a glass of water anywhere. Another refreshing benefit? Moving the access to water inside the refrigerator provides a clean, sleek appearance on the exterior.